Hi, my name is Melinda from Picture Me Crafting, and I wanted to come to you today because I won the prize in Yolanda's 100K celebration, and I won the bundle box from Heat Transfer Warehouse. So, what I want to do today was just to unbox this and let you see what I won. I was so excited, I didn't know I won. But I followed the directions and I I registered for her email, registered with the email, my email. And that's how I won. Because I was watching the live. I didn't see anything on the live that I won. And then I got an email from Heat Transfer Warehouse. So I was super excited because I love watching Delonda. I enjoy the way she teaches and guides you and shows you and how the way she loves everything. So I'm going to do this unboxing and I'm going to see how it goes. Okay, let me switch this over. Okay, that's a little dark, but I guess it's okay. Okay, so like I said, I won this. I'm getting ready to unbox it now. I'm super excited. I think the only thing else I ever won was with Maryland's making with Maryland's celebration. I won a Amazon gift card, which came in handy. I appreciated that too. So let's see what we have here. Ooh, okay. Okay, let's see. Ooh, some pretty colors. Okay. Oh, good. They have them labeled on here. So this is the Express Sky Blue, which is pretty. I love that. That's pretty. And then we have the Puff Vinyl, which is aqua. Puff Vinyl Neon Pink. Oh, my youngest granddaughter is gonna love that. And Metallic Gold, also Puff Vinyl. And this one is Puff Brown. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. Look at that. And then this is soft gray. And I love that the directions is on here on each sheet on the temperature, the seconds, the peel. If it's a cold or medium peel. I like that because sometimes I forget. And this is soft green, um, bright red, and here's white and black, express yellow, pink, orange, lemon yellow. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay. And express light green. So that was one, two, they have them numbered. Oh, they're numbered. So in total it's 17 pieces of vinyl, which are beautiful. Um, there's also QR codes on here also, which is very helpful to me because I might forget. So this is really, really nice. I so appreciate this. 17 pieces of vinyl. And it's Wallacut is the brand from Heat Transfer Warehouse. So I'm going to enjoy making whatever I make with this, and I will come back and show you over time. And again, um, Again, I truly appreciate being part of this crafting community. This is actually my first video. So I hope to have more to come. But when I got this package, when I got the email that I won, I said, okay, this is it. This is going to be my first video. I was so excited. I'm still excited. And I'm going to do something with all of this. And again, I truly appreciate it. Thank you, Delonda. And thank you, Heat Transfer Warehouse. You all have an amazing day. And we'll see what I do with this. I'm excited. Thank you again. Bye.